In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix not being able to screen share on Discord Mobile. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you don't have any conflicting apps. If you're trying to screen share and screen record, for example, at the same time with your mobile device, that is going to cause an error. So in that instance, you would need to stop screen recording and only Discord screen share, because if you try to do both things at the same time, it is going to cause issues. Another thing that I recommend that you guys do is check your app permissions. So please open up settings right over here. Then go ahead and go to the search bar and look up apps. Then select on apps. Then look up Discord right over here and select on it. Select on permissions. And you just want to make sure that it has all of the permissions right over here. So photos and videos, camera, microphone, etc. You need to make sure that Discord has access to these permissions in order for you to actually screen share. Also, some servers don't allow you to actually screen share, so you need to double check these server permissions and make sure that you actually have permission to screen share, because sometimes certain public Discord servers don't allow people to screen share. So you always want to verify with that and then double check. By the way, if you try to screen share certain apps like Netflix, then that is not going to work. So that is another thing to keep in mind. You need to make sure that you don't try to screen share any of those apps, because those are going to result in errors. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.